By providing practical tips, you can ensure that when you're consuming food, you're not going to get food poisoning. Hi, I'm Dr. Joy Dubost, registered dietitian and spokesperson for the American Dietetic Association, and I'm here to provide some practical guidance on food safety. Did you know that 3,000 people die every year from food poisoning? 1 in 6 Americans get food poisoning every year, which translates to nearly 48 million people. This is astounding. By providing practical tips, you can ensure that when you're consuming food, you're not going to get food poisoning. So first off, I want to talk to you about fruits and vegetables. Many people don't realize that fruits and vegetables can actually provide bacteria. So when you go to the grocery store and you're selecting your fruits and vegetables, make sure that you provide a brush. When you go home, scrub them gently with hot water. This will ensure that you're bringing off and scrubbing off some of that bacteria. Also keep in mind, you need to wash your hands. In fact, hot soapy water is great, and use that for about 20 seconds using some abrasion with the hands. Sing happy birthday twice if you like. This will ensure that within that 20-second time frame, you will be killing the bacteria off. Also, you want to keep your cold food separate from those foods that have not been cooked. So basically, you want to keep uncooked food away from cooked food. Separate them out. The third thing you also want to remember is once you cook the foods, you want to refrigerate them promptly, ensuring that there's no time for bacteria to start to grow. You actually have a 2-hour time frame, but as the temperatures go up, let's say you're outside picnicking, then that time frame can actually go down. I would encourage you to go to www.homefoodsafety.org. Here you'll be able to learn about more practical tips on how you can keep yourself safe from any food poisoning. Thanks for joining me.